Good afternoon, everybody. It's Dr. A back in the garden, and yes, I'm back in my garden. And it's October. I love this time of year. Of course, it's cool and temperatures are easy to live with. They're really nice and almost cold in the morning and cool in the evening, and just lovely. And plants respond the same way. Here's a plant. I really like this plant, and I'm liking it more and more, of course, because it's finally started to flower. This is called Cape Honeysuckle. Has nothing to do with honeysuckle. It's actually called Tecomaria, but it is native to South Africa and certainly to Southern Africa. It is an annual in certainly most gardens in the United States, but it is a bright color. Isn't that beautiful? It took a while to flower for sure, and it just grew and grew and grew, and I said, oh, I don't know, but it certainly is growing on me now. There's a number of colors. This is the one I like most. There's a yellow one I have in my garden right here, which is nice, but I don't think it's going to stand out like that orange one. And I have a red one in the back. I received these from a great company, Southern Living Plants, and their label is on these kind of plants. Look for them if you have a chance. Who said fall is for planting? I do, but it is also fall is for flowering. Enjoy. See you down the road.